Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Litecoin. Litecoin continues to be in this sideways range, still in this triangle, very similar wave count to XRP, just differing a little bit on the micro when we talk about the microstructure. The overall analysis hasn't changed for many weeks, if not months here. We're still watching for another bear market low, or well, not necessarily bear market low. No, that was wrong, but another low in this region here, possibly hitting $56 or $49. Any sustained break below the $49 level. Did I say cent? Dollars. So $56 or $49. Any sustained break below $49 will unlock new bear market lows. Yeah, but in an overall bullish scenario, we want to avoid that. Okay, but yeah, this is basically the last chance Link will have to protect a bullish scenario. And that it's basically already in the bull run, right? So to give us some evidence for that. So this is the deep wave 2 pullback, okay? After Link, I think it was it $115 it reached around the halving? Yeah, roughly, yeah. So obviously the idea was this was a wave 1 to the upside potentially, and the move down could be a wave 2. It's a very messy structure, I have to say. So if it's holding $49, it is okay, you know, and it can turn around from there. That's the 78.6 retrace on the log chart there, yeah, $50.49, and then on the linear chart, it's the 88.7 fib level. Okay, there's a dollar difference, but that doesn't really make any yeah, that's not meaningful. So what we're watching for here is now for in this Elliott Wave triangle, which I see as a wave 4, to complete here an A, B, C, D, E structure. Yeah, the D wave is nearly finished. We're going to zoom in a minute. Then another lower high in an E wave, and then another move down. That's broadly in line with the Bitcoin wave count as well. And essentially, if we zoom into the detailed wave count now, we are looking here at an A wave down, which bottomed on the 4th of October, yeah, which was at around $63. Then the price moved up in a corrective fashion, moved a little higher than initially assumed, I think, but nothing that would have made a B wave invalid or anything. The forecast was that, you know, this triangle will really only change if we get a break above the C wave high at $68.70. And overall, the triangle will only be invalidated with a break above $70.70. So we always need to give it a little bit of space. Now, looking at the microstructure here, it's likely that it completed an A wave. The B wave topped then around $66.30. And the move down now could be the C wave, A, B, C in wave D. The D wave is the second to last wave of this triangle structure. And it's a corrective wave, so you would expect 3 waves. And at the moment, it is quite likely that we get one more low. That's very much broadly in line with what Bitcoin is doing, broadly in line with what ETH is doing. So if we get one more low here, then the assumption would be that we're now in the 4th wave of the C wave, and one more low to below $61.50 would be likely. Resistance, micro resistance for this wave 4 is between $63.30 and $63.81. Against those levels, we can focus on lower. And yeah, I would say it is likely that it's going to target maybe here this trend line before it then will put in a bit of a relief rally in an E wave, a lower high, before the prices then come down in a 5th wave, targeting $56 and then $49.50 next. And again, it would only really invalidate this triangle if we get a break above the $70.70 level. The microstructure will have to change already above $63.81, but that wouldn't necessarily mean it's bullish. It might simply be that this E wave is starting a little early, and that this here was, instead of an ABC structure, a WXY, which might not need another low. Now, if I add, however, the Fibonacci extensions, we can get a target for wave C in D. And here you can see it reacted to the 78.6 extension level at $61.67. The key target would be the 1-to-1 ratio, the 100% extension level, and that is at $60.40. So that is basically roughly where that trend line is running as well. So I would pay attention to that level for a potential bounce and for the potential beginning of Wave E. That's my update about Litecoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.